Everything I do at 3 a.m. is cursed. So I decided to watch some of SABIN Tutor's videos at 3 a.m. guys. And crazy things started happening pretty quickly. And that's where everything went wrong. Alright guys, the first video we're gonna watch from SABIN Tutor is him playing Hello Neighbor 2 Alternative Reality. And I think he actually called me out in this video. This is how I originally found out about his channel. So let's actually check this out guys. Let's get straight into this one.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play some Hello Neighbor Alternative Reality 2. The dev commented on my last video where I showcased prototype 1 and today we have prototype 2. I'm a bit late, it's 4 months. And make sure to subscribe.
I was also late to this, I think.
Because without him I wasn't able to complete.
Oh yeah, no, okay. Wait, hold on. I didn't see what he said because something glitched out here. What is happening? Stop with that. Alright. What did he say about me?
And make sure to subscribe to this guy that's in right now because without him I wasn't able to complete this game.
Yeah, I think he used
and,
my video for it.
Let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. Okay everyone, so we are here on the Hello Neighbor 2 Alternative Reality. Let's play new game. And yeah. No, I'm not gonna speedrun this game because I'm not pro at this game. Okay, what is this?
So yeah guys, just to catch you up guys, what is apparently supposed to happen? Well, I genuinely don't know, since usually when I do these things, one of these characters comes to my house, but now I'm watching SABIN Tutor videos, so is SABIN Tutor gonna come to my house? And if he does, why would he be evil? Or maybe it's gonna be like something like SABIN Tutor.exe or some kind of evil version. I don't know, we're gonna see guys. Let's continue watching.
Okay, so let's get the flashlight because it's gonna be very dark. So nice. Let's see. So far this is way better than the first prototype because you can
Agreed.
actually see the whole thing. I don't remember if we can see. What's this? Okay, I'm just gonna keep it there. So let's go to display. FPS, yes, why not? Yes. Like this. Yes,
Alright, so he's just casually playing.
yes, very high.
It's nothing out of the ordinary so far.
Okay, so what? What is this feel of my brother? Here you go. So I'm not gonna go here. Check, but I'm gonna go there. Why not? Hold up, can we use the cat? Let's see. No, they won't let me use the car.
They dropped the Alpha 1, right? Yeah, the Alpha 1 was where the taxidermist was in it.
This prototype.
And
it's not the best prototype anymore. I hate it when I don't have my car because I can crash it and explode it. Yes. Ooh, ground. Okay.
why was bro mesmerized by the ground?
What is
I don't know if I've watched this video fully or if I just don't remember it since a long time passed.
Okay. Nahena. Por el calorete. Reminds me of some novel. Oh my god.
Okay, that was kind of not fair in my opinion.
So let's try now.
That was kind of off the property, but okay.
Oh my god!
I did not see that coming. What? Ayo, these subtitles.
Why am I looking like that, brother? I'm shocked. I'm shocked. What are you trying to find, brother? Come here. I like
Yo, why is bro running in? I'd be crouching at this point because this guy's too smart.
Hey!
Key on his back.
Mine.
What does that even open?
Mine. Okay.
Oh, the car, right? Wait, what?
Um.
I thought it was the car.
What? What?
Wait, what happened?
Oh, okay, let's go.
Did he take something from it? Wait, where are the subtitles? Oh, it's here. Oh, it just opens the basement straight into it.
Ain't no way. Yeah. Now I think we need to get the crowbar from the neighbor. Oh no, we have one here. Some place to put this guy in. Oh! Never mind, it's not done.
Thought there was a cutscene there.
So,
I don't think I even knew that you could hide outside there. What possible situation would you be in that you would need to hide back there? That's kind of not very good placement.
So this is the basement. So the Barcelona is way bigger.
That's the hell neighbor basement.
Oh yeah, cause we dreamed of it. Okay, so
Oh, was always my least favorite part about this game, was the fact that it got so dark at night to the point that you, even with a flashlight, you couldn't like make things out.
you can see it right here. It's not like it doesn't have an eye. Yeah.
Wait, is he coming into the room?
Why is my FPS 30 to 40? What is so high resolution in here? Wow. Yo. We can. Oh, we
Bruh. I don't know if this... I don't know if this video has like little to no editing in it.
Oh, never mind. Let's not. Maybe something here. 3. What?
I just heard something, guys. I definitely just heard something, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let's just keep watching.
3, 2. What? I don't understand.
I don't even remember where you could find. Might have been in the bedroom. Like the key for the museum.
Okay. Nothing to do there. I saw the Nox was I forgot his name.
The Nox.
So
What?
anyway, let's continue. Okay. So we now know.
What, did he just look at my video? I think that's why he knew what to do, because he was looking at my video. That's why he shouted me out in the start. Alright, so he's in the museum. Oh. Yeah, the neighbor's straight on your tail from the start here. The neighbor was pretty OP. Okay, he got the key. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah, that neighbor was OP. But at least he doesn't take the key. Oh. He just took the camera out. We continue without camera. I swear I just heard something. Bro, guys, as soon as he got the camera off, I think he actually is coming to my house. That's why he turned off the camera. Bro, what? What was that sound just now? What should I do? What should I do, guys? I mean, that was pretty loud. I don't think we should just stay here and watch this. I think we should actually go out and investigate what that was. Okay, guys, let's go. Alright, guys, I'm in the secret room right now, but guys, listen. I'm hearing a noise right outside here, guys. What the hell? What is that? Okay, I don't see anything. Oh, I nearly just fell. I don't see anything outside here, guys. So far, at least. Okay, that's the exit. Okay, nothing's here, guys. It is 3 AM, guys, so everything is cursed. And that also means that SABIN Tutor is definitely gonna be cursed, guys. Alright, guys. Is something in the bathroom? Yo! I think that's SABIN Tutor knocking, guys. I think that's SABIN Tutor knocking. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, guys. Wait, is he knocking on the... Is he knocking over there? What? Guys, I will hide in the bathroom. I will hide in the bathroom, guys. I gotta turn off the light. Oh my gosh, it's completely pitch dark in here, guys. I can't see. Oh my gosh, can you guys see me? The only thing I can see is the light on the phone. Alright, let's turn on the small light. I think that's it. Hold up, guys. Oh, guys. I just turned on the small light. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. I'm gonna sit here on the toilet, guys. And we're just gonna hope that SABIN Tutor does not check, or SABIN.EXE, whatever this is, does not check the bathroom, guys. I think I could probably open the door a little bit just so we can get a peek at what's happening outside, guys. Should I? Alright, let's do that. Alright, guys, that's my secret room over there. Alright, guys, let's have a peek. But don't let him see us if he's in there. Oh, did he just break the door down? What was that sound? You guys can see the light from my computer back there. Yo, what the flip? SABIN Tutor just walked by, guys. SABIN Tutor just walked by. Oh my gosh, that's SABIN.EXE, guys. I don't know what to do. I gotta be quiet so he doesn't hear me, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, guys. I will stay here for a little bit, guys, and then I'll go outside and we will see what's gonna happen. Alright, guys. Guys, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button and turn on all post notifications if you do want to see more 3 AM video, guys. We're gonna have some crazy stuff. What the Sigma, guys? The lights to the bathroom just went out. I don't know what to do, guys. What just happened? Should I just make a run for it and hide in the secret room, guys? In the No KK headquarters? I think I'm just gonna try that. Alright, let's get up. And let's go. No! SABIN.EXE!